Good morning, everyone. This is your YouTube teacher Nazir sir. Today I welcome you all on your favorite YouTube channel Bolo English Fatafat. Dear all, today we are going to discuss about kinds of noun. As in my early videos, I taught you about classification of grammar, etymology, and parts of speech. So in this video and the video after this, we will discuss each part of speech one by one. So today is kinds of noun. So first question is, what is noun? Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. In short, you can say noun is naming word. Every name in the society, from our body to the universe, every name which we heard daily at our home, in schools, in classrooms, in our locality, every name comes in the category of noun. And noun was classified in early English grammar. In earlier English grammar, noun was classified in two categories. Only in two categories. First one is concrete noun and second one is abstract noun. So what is the definition of concrete noun? Every name, I mean every solid name. Every solid name which we can see, touch, hold, were kept in the category of abstract noun. But the names which can neither be seen nor be touched but only be felt were kept in the category of abstract noun. Abstract noun is okay, but concrete noun was very problematic. While teaching students in middle classes, it was very problematic how to define, how to make them understand. Then again, in the Middle English grammar, noun was classified in 5 categories or 5 different kinds, and these were common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. I always teach my students in my own style, just common noun, general name, proper noun, particular name, collective noun, group name, material noun, name of things of which things are made, abstract noun, name of things which can neither be seen nor be touched but only be felt. This is very easy now, and this is a very magical trick. If you follow this trick, then I am sure you can easily remember the different kinds of noun. And again, in modern English grammar, noun was classified in 3 groups: proper noun, countable noun, and uncountable noun. Proper noun is same as it was in middle classification. Proper noun, all particular names comes in the category of proper noun. And countable, name of things which can be counted easily, comes in the category of countable noun. Uncountable noun, name of things which can't be counted easily, comes in the category of uncountable noun. So these are the different kinds of noun. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe it, like it, share it, so that you can get my new updates. And in next video, I will discuss about different kinds of pronoun. So